In this video, we'll show you how to activate commercial mode on your Zappi. Commercial mode is a new feature introduced in firmware version 5.5 and above. Before we start, it's essential to understand that activating commercial mode requires an OCPP platform. There are several platforms to choose from. Each may have slightly different setup steps. Some platforms allow for self-setup, while others may require assistance from the platform provider. To activate commercial mode, ensure that your Zappi is connected to the internet and linked to your chosen OCPP platform. If you're unsure how to do this, you can refer to our other previous videos for guidance. First of all, access the configuration page of your Zappi on the OCPP platform you're using. Now enable the commercial mode by setting the commercial mode parameter to true. You'll notice that the screen on the Zappi is reflecting this change. Next, decide whether you want to charge your users for charging by setting the free vend screen parameter to true or false. Select false if you don't plan on charging your customers for charging their vehicles. Now you can customize the display with pricing information and helpful messages for your guests. For more detailed instructions, stay tuned for upcoming videos on completing the setup process.